back to Ukulele with Laurie. For this video, we're going to be doing I'm Trying to Be Like Jesus. I've been trying to get this video out, and I had it out, and I realized that it was like a total flop. So here we are doing it again. So let's go ahead and tune our ukuleles real quick, top to bottom. Alright, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that are in this song. So our first chord is a G. I'm trying to give you guys a good view here. So for a G, we're going to use our middle finger on the second fret of the bottom string, our index finger on the second fret of the second string, and our ring finger on the third fret of the third string. We've got a D7, which is a complete bar across the second fret with your index finger and then your middle finger on the third fret of the bottom string. We've got C, third fret of the bottom string. We've got G7, ring finger on the second fret of the bottom string, index finger on the first fret of the third string, and middle finger on the second fret of the second string. We've got B7, which is a bar across the second fret with our index finger and our middle finger on the second fret of the second string. We've got E minor, index finger on the second fret of the bottom string, middle finger on the third fret of the third string, ring finger on the fourth fret of the second string. We have B minor, which is another bar across the second fret. I sometimes like to double up like this just to really get everything pressed down with my middle finger on top of my index and then the ring finger on the fourth fret of the top string, or you can, that's kind of a stretch. I would do the ring finger. Okay, so we got A minor, second fret of the top string. We've got A7, first fret of the second string. And then we've got C minor, which is the third fret of the bottom string, third fret of the third string, and third fret of the second string. I like to just do it with my index finger there. Alright, so those are all of our chords. Let me turn the volume down on my baby monitor here, just because my husband's making a lot of noise in there. The song starts on a G. And because of like the reverent nature of this song, most primary songs I like to get a good groove going to get the kids going, but for us this is more of a reverent song, so we're just going to do one strum for each chord. Now if you want to do more of an upbeat strum, feel free to strum however you like. We're just going to stick to simplicity for this video though. So let's go ahead and start our song. Starting on a G. So our G comes in on the word trying. So I'm is sung a cappella. I'm trying to be. So on B we're going to go to D7. Be like Jesus. So in Jesus, we're going to go to C. Jesus, I'm So on following, we're going to go back to our G. Following in. So on in, we're going to go to C. In his ways. And on ways, we're going to go to D7. So you see how I made that smooth from just my C to just dropping that middle finger down to play that D7? Little shortcut. I'm so on trying, we're going to go back to G. Trying to love. So on love, we're going to go to that G7. Love as he. So on he, we're going to go to C. He did in all. So on all, we're going to go to a G. All that I do. On do, we're going to go to C. Do and say. So on say, we're going to play that B7. Say At times. So on times, we're going to play E minor. Times I am tempted. So on tempted, we're going to play that B7 again. Or is it a B minor? Hold on. At times I am tempted. It's B minor. Sorry, I'm getting mixed up with B7 and B minor here. Tempted. So B7 is the right up against you right here on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and B minor is the 4th fret of the top string. So they are very similar. They're easy to mix up. But remember, this is B minor after our E minor. At times I am tempted to make. So on make, we're going to go to C. Make the wrong choice. And on choice, we're going to play G. Choice, but I try. So on try, we're going to play C. Try to listen. So on listen, we're going to go to B minor again. Listen to the still. So on still, we're going to play A minor. Sorry, I played an A7 there. Still small voice. And on voice, we're going to play D7. Voice singing love. So on love, we're going to go to G. Love one another. And then we're going to go to G7. So we're going to go. Love one another as G. So on Jesus, we're going to go to C. Jesus loves you. So on you, we're going to go back to G. Try. So on try, we're going to go to C. Try to show kindness. On kindness, we're going to play G. Kindness in all. A7. I'm getting my chords all mixed up here. A7. And on all. All that you do. So on do, we're going to play D7. Be gentle. So on gentle, we're going to go to G. Gentle and loving. So on loving, it's a G7. Indeed. So on deed, we're going to play C. Deed and in thought. So on thought, we're going to play that C minor. For these is a G. These are the things. So on things, we're going to play D7. Things Jesus taught. And taught ends on a G. Alright, so as you can see, it's real easy to get our B7 and B minor mixed up, as well as our A7 and A minor. Good thing we don't have a D, since we have a D7. Haha. They're all so close to each other, it's really easy to get a little bit jumbled up. So make sure to use the finger chart so that it will remind you which one goes where. So let's go ahead and sing through this real quick, starting on a G, nice and slow. I'm trying to be like Jesus. I'm following in his way. I'm trying to love as he did in all that I do and say. Sometimes I am tempted to make the wrong choice, but I try to listen to the still small voice singing, guys, I hope that this can help you out with your primary or your family home evening or your mission trip or wherever it is that you are wanting to teach about Jesus. So feel free to join us in my ukulele group on Facebook. We are a lively bunch there. You can find the link in the top of my profile, or you can type it into your browser at facebook.com/groups/ukulele with Laurie. Feel free to leave comments for video suggestions of songs that you would like to learn, or feel free to ask for help. It's easiest to get help in the Facebook group because we can do live chats and stuff through Messenger, as well as access to the finger charts. I will try to remember to post in the description the fingerings for my songs. So, but for easiest access, do come and find us on Facebook, or leave me your email in the comments, or send me your email to my messages on YouTube. I'm terrible about checking my messages, but I will do my best to try to email you a copy of the finger charts that we use on Facebook. So with all that being said, I hope that this was easy to follow along, and I will see you guys next time.